I'm going to grind it together with the okpa. See here, uziza seed. This is the okpa. My grinding machine where they use dry uziza seed. You will still need to sieve it. Yes, if you do not sieve it, your okpa will not come out very smooth. The essence of still sieving it is for your okpa to come out very smooth. This is our sieved okpa. Then this is our red oil that we are going to use to cook it. This is our grinded pepper. This is our salt. So it's time for mixing the okpa. We are going to mix the okpa together with the oil. You make sure that it blends. Man, see my oil now. Oh, direct from village. Yes, very fresh oil. So you will mix your okpa like this. Mix it very well to blend. You put your pepper. Add the quantity of pepper that you think that will be enough. Then put your salt. Add your salt. Then continue to mix with the oil until it is well blended, as in it blends very well. You continue to add oil and mixing, adding oil and mixing until it is blends very well. How it is now, well blended with oil, salt and pepper. So right now I'm going to start pouring in my hot water, not cold water. As you pour in the hot water, you continue to blend it. You see what I'm doing? As you pour in the hot water, you continue to blend it. Yes, it should not be too hot that it will wound you, but let it not be too cold. Like it should be hot, yes, but not too hot that it can start hurting you, please. So as you pour the hot water, you continue to blend it. Continue to dissolve, as in to dissolve it. Continue to blend it. As you add your hot water, you continue to blend it. You can see what I'm doing. As I add hot water, I continue to blend. It's not yet okay now. Continue. Check the thickness of the okpa because I finished blending it. How thick your okpa will be when it's done. Then you dip your hand in the water like this. If it easily washes off like my own, then it's okay. Yes. But if it's still thick, if you dip your hand and it does not easily wash off, then that means when your okpa is done, it's going to be very thick, like okute, like stone. And this is not what you want. You want your okpa to be soft. Yes. So you dip it like this. Make sure if it's thick, you add more hot water. But if it's like this, it's okay. You see how it's washing off from my hand? Yes, this is how it should be. So right now, I'm going to tie it with a nylon and continue with my cooking. My okpa is ready. I'm going to start putting the wrapped okpa inside a boiled hot water. Yes, so the water inside this pot is already boiled. Yes, it has already boiled. So I will add it inside the hot water and continue to cook. So to check whether your okpa is done, you use something like toothpick. Put it, pierce it. If it comes out clean, then you know that it's done. But if it comes out, you see, it came out clean. So my okpa is done now. If it comes out gumming to the stick, then it's not done. So my okpa is done.